So hello guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video we are going to see how to print the numbers from 1 to n. The n natural numbers, how to print it. So let's start. Suppose we have given a number, nth number as 8. Suppose we have to print the numbers from 1 to 8. Okay, is the code to print the numbers from 1 to 8 or 1 to n. So let's run it and see how the output will comes to in our console. So let's take the input from the user. We have import a scanner class. Okay, in that I have created two variables. First variable is in range, and in that range we have taken an input as an integer. Okay, and I have taken another variable called count, and we have initialized the counter as 1 to 1. Okay, suppose we have given an input as 8 here. So we have discussing the nth number will be 8. So let's say we have given here range as 8. We have to print the numbers from 1 to 8. Okay, then the while loop runs. Okay, we have created a while loop, and in that the condition will be the counter should less than or equal to range. Okay, till that the while loop block will run. What will be the it do? It will print the counter and update the counter by 1. The initially the counter is 1 and counter should less than or equal to 8. So we have given range as 8. Okay, we have given the range as 8. Now it will print 1. Okay, we have to print the counter, simply it will print 1. Okay, now next it will update the counter by 2. Okay, 2 here, 2 is less than 8. Now it will print the counter. Now updated counter will be printed. Now 2 will be printed. Okay, then again it will update the counter by 1. Now the counter has become 3. Now it again checks the condition, is 3 is less than 8. Okay, the condition is true, then again it will print the counter 3. Okay, now the counter will be updated by 1. Now the counter has become 4. Okay, again the condition is 4 is less than 8. The condition is true now here. Now it will enter into the loop and print the count. The count has become 4, so it will print 4. Then again it will update the counter by 1. The counter has become here 5. Okay, now it will check the condition, is 5 is less than 8. The condition is true here. It will print the 5 and update the counter. Now the counter's value has become 6. Okay, now it will check again the condition, is 6 is less than 8. The condition is true. It will again print the value of counter 6 and update the counter by 1. Now the counter's value has become 7. Okay. Is 7 is less than or equal to 8? The condition will be again true. It will again print 7 and update the counter by 1. Now the counter has become 8. Okay. Is counter is less than or equal to 8? It is not less than, but it is equal to 8. So it will, the condition has become here true. Then it will enter into the loop. Then it will print 8. Okay. Counter by 1. Now the counter has become 9. Okay. Is now it will again check the condition. Is 9 is less than or equal to 8? The condition has been false, and it will terminate the loop and come here and print the next line. The compiler will go to the next line. Okay, so we have get this output from 1 to 8. We have printed it. So let's start with our demonstration. So I've created a class called demo, and in that I'm creating a main method, and in that main method I'm printing enter a number. Okay. I'm taking a scanner class from user input. We have to take the input from the user. So that's why we use scanner class. And in that scanner class, I am creating two variables. One is range. In range, I'm taking a value from the user, integer value from the user, and I'm creating another variable called counter. I'm initializing the counter with 1. Okay. Now I'm running a while loop. In that counter should less than or equal to range until the while loop runs, and in that I'm printing counter space and updating counter by 1 every time. And this is for next line. This system.out.println is used for next line. Okay. And here we run a loop. The condition for it is the counter should less than or equal to range until it will print the counter and updating the counter by 1. So let's run the loop. Let's run. So in that he is asking enter a number. Okay, let's say I have entered 7. So it has given me this output 1 to 7. He has given me the numbers. Okay. Now I am entering the number as 10. Okay. Now it has given me the number from 1 to 10. This way we can write a function. Thank you.